Hello, visit ProcessMaker.io, a highly scalable, highly resilient workflow engine that is offered as a cloud microservice. It is very simple to begin using ProcessMaker I/O. Just register on the website and create a cloud instance. The product is 100% API-based and has SDKs in all popular programming languages. Once your cloud instance is created, you can access the API and write applications against it. In this video, we will demonstrate how ProcessMaker I/O can be used to automate an approval workflow scenario for a purchase request. We will use the Form.io Forms product integrated with ProcessMaker I/O. The process will be initiated by a customer via a Form.io request form. The initial form is configured to receive the required details about the purchase request and the requester's email. Then, in the second approval form, a manager will review the request and approve or reject it. Additionally, we send notifications from the process to a Slack channel and to the requester's email. In this use case, we created a BPMN process scheme in a third-party BPMN editor. Let's see how the things work. The process is initiated using a simple webhook which accepts the purchase request details such as order ID, item quantity, item cost, total cost, as well as the requester's email. Next, we notify a private Slack channel that the new request has been received. We will use this Slack channel now and later as the company audit log of the process status. Now we have a new approval process instance, and we will use another Form.io form to process the request. The form will work with as a part of a user task to retrieve the purchase order details, present it to a manager, and accept the manager's decision to either approve or reject the request. Based on the decision, the process may go along the upper process branch if the decision is positive. As usual, we also notify the Slack channel that the decision is made, and in addition, we will send out an email to the original requester. If the decision is negative, the process will continue its flow using the bottom branch. Here, the logic is the same. We notify the Slack channel and the original requester via email, but now we send out a negative response. We prepared two forms in the Form.io service. One of them is a purchase order with the requester and the purchase request details. And the second is a purchase approval form which consists of purchase request details shown as read-only fields and two action buttons, approve and reject. You can find more details regarding how to integrate a third-party form with ProcessMaker I/O on our GitHub repository. To start using the process, I log in to my PMIO account and create a new environment. And I rename it to Purchase Request for convenience. Then I navigate to the Import tab, select and upload my BPMN file which contains the process scheme. Here you may see in Processes tab there is one process named Purchase that has been imported. Now let's see the whole thing in action. As the requester, I navigate to the request form which is available on the PMIO GitHub repository. This form already contains the integration with Form.io, and here you can see the webhook entry point for the imported process. Now let's fill in the form, providing the name, email, and purchase details. The submission has been completed, and now we see this action reflected in the Slack corporate audit log group. It shows that the new purchase request has been placed. Now as a manager, let's review the request. Here I see the form with pre-filled data about the request. Now I am able to make a decision, adding my comments and finishing the process. Let's approve the request, and we can see how that action looks on the corporate Slack channel. Additionally, as the original requester, I also receive an email with the decision along with the request details. Let's repeat the process with another purchase request, but now as a manager, I'm going to reject the request. You can see the Slack corporate audit log stating that the request was rejected, and also as the original requester, I received the email with rejection details. Visit our ProcessMaker.io website to get your own process running today. Happy integrating and bye for now.